This is a quick demonstration on how to design an anti-snoring device with the Splints and Design app. First, you need upper and lower scan data. Load the files from the Splints app. Design from the maxilla in manual mode. After alignment mode, try to give enough space on the bite opening in the occlusal adjustment mode. And at the inner surface mode, give offset for inner space. And give the maximum on the retention. Next, set the margin for the tray. Give enough thickness for the lingual and buccal. Go ahead and click Complete to save. Now, load the Splints app one more time for the mandible. Choose Auto Creation. The same setting will be applied to the mandible. Click Complete to save. Load those two splints in the Design app. Go to Edit mode and use the sculpting tool to remove any over-contoured area. Use the Boolean union to merge them together. Now use the Smooth Surface tool to smooth out the merged area. Now you have a 3D printable anti-snoring device.